Welcome to HarpTube, the new oral learning feature of the Kilt and Harp newsletter. My name is Hayley Hewitt, and today I'll be teaching an old Scottish jig called Fairly Shut of Her. So this tune is a jig, so it's in 6/8, and you need to be in the key of E minor, so you need your F sharp levers on. I'll teach the right hand first, the melody. The first main shape of the tune sounds like this. It goes E, F, G, E. And that repeats. So what I like to do is use my third, second, and first finger for this little scale, and then come back down with my second finger so I can replace with my third. So we play that twice, and then after that there's a fifth from E up to B. The next part is a triad, an E triad going down. So what you have so far is and that repeats, but the fifth and the triad is down a step, so you start on a D. So all together, that all sounds like this. So there's a repeat in there with the second time around centering around that D chord. And then that whole thing repeats from the beginning with a second ending. So I'll play up until change. And there it changes. So you've got your E fifth, and then after that, place your thumb on a B and your third finger on a G. Play the thumb, and then place your two back on that B and your thumb on the C. So you have 3 notes on right now. And play G, B. So that new part sounds like this. It's really just 3 notes, but it looks kind of difficult because it's different placing. And then next you have 3 little tiny scales, which I like to call ants because they're 3 dots right in a row. That's from C down to A. And then you move that shape up, like ants going up a hill. Okay, so that whole new chunk sounds like this. So, on the repeat, this is what we've got so far. And then there's one note in the left hand. It's a D right above middle C. I just used my second finger for that. And then you got your D triad descending. So from the E fifth, so that's the whole A part. I'll play the whole thing so you can listen to it and play along. And that's the A part. Now if you'd like to learn the left hand, it's pretty simple. This is just a quick arrangement I did. It's an E fifth with a C at the top, and those are dotted quarter notes going up. And then you have a similar shape, but instead of going up to the C, you go down to the A. So fifth, down to the A. So it sounds like this. And then repeat back to the C part. And then you've got 2/10. So C and E. And then you move upstairs 1, D. And then you got your 1 D from what you learned before in the left hand. So like this. So that whole left hand sounds like this. Okay, let's put them together. The whole A part. Next we'll move on to the B part. It's pretty similar in that it's got it starts with a little 3-note run. That's B, C, D. So like the notes around C up there. And I play that with 3, 2, 1. And then you come down with your 4th finger, play the E, and your thumb on the B. So you play that, and then come back down to the E, and then it's descending E triad. And that repeats, and similarly to the A part, the repeat goes down to the D. So it's a D triad with a B at the top. B, A, F sharp, D. That whole part sounds like this. And that repeats. And then from here, it's the same as the ending to the A part. Simple, huh? That's the whole B part. Alright, and the left hand is it's got another bunch of tenths in it. First one is a D, so D and F sharp. And that moves upstairs to E. That sounds like this. Repeat that. D triad in the right hand, you're playing a B, F sharp, and A, so it's a B 7th chord. That lands on the A of the right hand. So and the same as the ending for the A part. Repeat. Alright, I'm going to play a few times so you can play with me. I'll start slow, and then on the repeat I will play it a little bit faster. So I hope you've enjoyed learning this tune. It's a great little jig, and I hope you teach it to somebody else because it's pretty easy to teach. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to catch you next time.